Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Install Resource 1028 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. I've linked the primary utility for Install Resource 1028 in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Install Resource 1028, the traditional Chinese 1028 Localized Resource Library for software installers. It houses the text strings and icons for the setup wizard. If missing, the installer will display generic error codes or a UI with missing labels, preventing the software from being installed. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. If the host software cannot locate Install Resource 1028 DLL, it indicates a corruption in the localized setup resources, traditional Chinese, subfolder, and reinstalling that specific program from the developer website will restore all necessary runtime files. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Install Resource 1028 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace Install Resource 1028 DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If registry clutter or Install Resource 1028 inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Install Resource 1028 dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.